the ladies in the place with style and grace. Allow me to lace these lyrical douches in your bushes. Who rock grooves and make moves with all the mommies. The back of the club, sipping my wet is where you find me. The back of the club, macking holes, my crew's behind me. Mad question asking, blunt passing, music lasting. But I just can't quit because one of these homies Biggie got to creep with, sleep with, keep the ep a secret. Why not? Why blow up my spot? Cause we both got hot. Now check it. I got more Mac than Craig and in the bed. Believe me, sweetie, I got enough to feed the needy. No need to be greedy. I got mad friends with Benzes. See notes by the layers. True fucking players. Jump in the Rover and come over. Tell your friends jump in the GS3. I got the chronic by the tree. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Baby. Straight up, honey, really, I'm asking. Most of these niggas think they be macking, but they be acting. Who they attracting with that line? What's your name? What's your sign? Soon as he buy that wine, I just creep up from behind and ask you what your interests are. Who you be with? Things that make you smile. What numbers to dial? You gon' be here for a while. I'm gon' call my crew. You gon' call your crew. We can rendezvous at the bar around 2. Plans to leave, throw the keys to little C's. Pull the truck up front and roll up the next blunt so we can steam on the way to the telly. Gon' fill my belly. A T-bone steak, cheese, eggs, and Welch's grape. Conversate for a few, cause in a few we gon' do what we came to do. Ain't that right, boo? Forget the telly, we just go to the crib and watch a movie in the jacuzzi. Smoke L's while you do me. I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby.
How you living, Biggie Smalls?
Imagining Benzes giving ends to my friends and it feels stupendous. Tremendous cream, fuck $1 and a dream. Still tote gas strapped with infrared beams. Chopping O's, smoking line optimals, money holes and clothes, all a nigga knows. A foolish pleasure, whatever. I had to find the buried treasure, so grams I had to measure. However, living better now, Gucci sweater now. Drop top BMs, I'm the man, girlfriend.
Honey, check it. Tell your friends to get with my friends. We could be friends. Shit, we could do this every weekend. Alright? Is that alright with you? Yeah. Keep banging.
I love it when you call me Big Papa. Throw your hands in the air if you's a true player. I love it when you call me Big Papa. To the honeys getting money, playing niggas like dummies. I love it when you call me Big Papa. You got a gun up in your waist, please don't shoot up the place. Cause I see some ladies tonight that should be having my baby. Check it out. Now I'm full shit for that ass. Puff Daddy, Biggie Smalls, Junior Mouth Girl, represent baby.
Those your skis?
Yeah.
Those are sick, man.
Yeah. What you got?
Got some Master Blasters.
Nice. Those are the escalators. They're a lot of fun.
Oh, cool, cool. She's got the joy rides.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I want another pair.
Yeah, they are fun.
Adios.
Thanks, man.
Thank you. Awesome.
Biggie, biggie, it's bony, 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 biggie, biggie. Ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high, get high. Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high. This is a late high five. It's bony, biggie, biggie, 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 it's bony, biggie, biggie.
Armed and dangerous, ain't too many can bang with us. Straight up, we no angel dust. Label us notorious. Thug ass niggas that love the bus. It's strange to us, y'all niggas be scrambling, gambling. Up restaurants with mandolins and violins. We just sitting here trying to win, trying not to sin. High off weed and lots of gin. So much smoke, need oxygen. Steadily counting them Benjamins. Nigga, you should too, if you knew what this game would do to you. Been in this shit since 92. Look at all the bullshit I've been through. So-called beef with you know who. Fuck a few female stars or two. Then I blew like niggas blue like Mike. Shit, not to be fucked with. Motherfucker better duck quick. Cause me and my dogs love the buck shit. Fuck the luck shit, strictly aim. No aspirations to cut the game. Spit your game, talk your shit. Grab your gat, call your clip. Squeeze your clip, hit the right one. Pass that weed, I got to like one. All them niggas, I got to fight one. All them hoes, I got to like one. Our situation is a tight one. What you gonna do? Fight or run? Seems to me that you'll take me. Bone and big, nigga, die slowly. I'ma tell you like a nigga told me. Cash roll everything around me. Shit, lyrically, niggas can't see me. Fuck it, buy the coke, cook the coke, cut it. Know the bitch before you call yourself loving it. Nigga with a bench fucking it. Doesn't it seem hard to you? Big come through with mobs and crews. Good fellas down to the most of dude. Who's the killer? Me or you?
We forgive you, for you know not what you do.
7 a.m. woke in the morning with Henny, caffeine, and green and nicotine. No dose, so pop a couple of dope that I ripped up. Nigga, Mr. Clean, make it clean. Deep in my temple, and I do get sentimentally stained with my instrumentality. And heated, especially for your team in the 45. And D will be in between the scenes. Destroy your dreams, you willing to die. We'll see. How many feast when it calls the scene? We mean mug, mold, gold, trying to be perfect. Disciples with a survival tongue of a double-edged sword. Triple, 6 rivals spitting fire. This the real true bitch. Breaking out for lies, my massage. Better get ready for Armageddon. Shit expired. It's wild, bless the child. That whatever came a man. Put in positions I would have heard. All that I had to do was stay. Test me now. Contend, never know, surrender, no pretend. Pick up my pen and my hand. None of my just a friend. Hey, open the left, see it for real. We all suited, beg my pardon in the morning. Maybe we ain't marching, we shooting and they're recruiting. There's the football. Every day in the ghetto, we start them off fiddle and hit them a bottle and a pen and pad. They hit the level, kick the devil.
To the dome with a shot of burn. Never glue back to the curb. Me feeling that urge just first, but I'm broke as fuck. And give me that lost verse swerve. Up into my bag, cause I gotta get my mask and shells to put in this 12 gauge. So off, get them all off, nigga, y'all lost, take it all off, get the nigga count off. But the bone, I love the fist, swimming and thinking the good. And the more I'm pulling the nuts, and bitch, I'm just slipping with bucking, I'm good, that's fucked up. Now let me get done with the crime, gotta go bridges of time. Put in the state to get done with the crime. Smoking the reefer to ease my mind. Swig some wine, step on the block with the rocks, but really me serving them dumb and see. Get the fuck up on down if it come back talking like give me back me money. Thugging with me, killers need us a leader of liquor, but niggas ain't got shit. But it's all off popcorn, so they get pissed off now. Who ready to get back? Nigga like me, leaning for them green leaves, but I ain't got no dough. Gotta make some money, so I'm making my dummy rocks if I go broke.
It's gonna biggie, biggie. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high, get high. Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get high, get high, get high. dropping down lips, but I call it my gadgets. With an automatic status, we spread that I load the glass, but I'm thinking now it's another E4 telling me to do what I gotta do, so I up my pipe and nigga down tonight. And I'm always running for the boys in blue. Biggie booze on my ass now, provide the cellular phone, the car bone, what's hiding? Grab artillery and niggas start packing, cause the motherfucker try to get me in the jacket, and I did him. Hit him right between the eyes, spots wise. When to test a nigga's size, then it costs him. Nigga fuck around with the wrong shit, jogging, move murdered all day, all day. We done played away and I'm on the run. I'ma call my boys to bring all the guns. Y'all niggas wanna have a little fun with number one. But it red, red, rum, 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 rum. But it red, red, rum, 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 rum. But it red, red, rum. It's on it, biggie, biggie. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get hot, get hot, get hot. Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get hot, get hot, get hot. It's on it, biggie, biggie. 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 Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get hot, get hot, get hot. Let's ride, let's ride, let's ride, let's ride. Get hot, get hot, get hot.
Ha! Okay, just found my first ever hut at Eldora. Hell yeah. Cool little one. Little seat in there. Neato.
plan to heaven. Follow the Lord on 24/7 days. God is who we praise, even though the devil's all up in my face, but he keeping me safe and in my place. about the family and how we do. Can I get a witness? Let it unfold. We living our lives, so we turn our soul. Hell, hell.
Every day, every day, every day. And we pray, and we pray, and we pray, and we pray. Still with lace. Now follow me, Rosto. Whether it's tolerance, having come. Let's go take it to the people that's long on their ass. Say he's a terrible. Instead of keeping up with family. Exactly how many days we got lasting? While you laughing, we're passing the way. We gon' rest our souls, cause I know I'ma meet you up at the crossroad. Y'all know if I ever got love with them both thugs, baby.
Leave this long gone, really wish you could come home. But when they tell her that, gotta go bye-bye. All the little thug could do was cry. Why they kill my dog? Yeah, man, I miss my Uncle Charles, y'all. And he shouldn't be gone in front of his home. When they did, the root was wrong. Who's so wrong? Gotta hold on, gotta stay strong. When it comes, better believe on. Gotta show that you can lean on, lean on.
And we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray. Every day, every day, every day, every day. And we pray, we pray, we pray, we pray. Every day. See you at the crossroads. 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 See you at the crossroads.
And I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody. And I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody, and I'm gonna miss everybody. And I'm gonna miss everybody.
Living in a hateful world, sending me straight, that's how we roll. Living in a hateful world, sending me straight, that's how we roll. Living in a hateful world, sending me straight, that's how we roll. And I'm asking a good little YSI, he told me we lived it
What's up with that money, y'all? See my bigger cousin was home. Somebody really, everybody wanna test the stone. Getting the sneeze instead of easy to fall. And nobody sitting there cause they intending on that they didn't win anything. Wanna come again and again. Now tell me what you gonna do.
Can somebody, anybody tell me why?